Hello guys, ngayon ay meron tayong pasok sa school at bawal na bawal tayong malate. Pero maraming distraction kaya tingnan natin kung masusurvive nating hindi malate sa school. Let's do this! Ano daw? Welcome to the town of Ether. With help from Daily Gamer and Night Rider. Late to school. Why you dumb elementary? What a name of a school. This game took way too long to make. Si Mara overslept. Let's wake them up. Late na tayo. 2 minutes na lang pasukan na. Paano pa tayo makakapagbihis niyan? We're late. Oh no, I'm gonna be late. Sinong mga ayaw malate dyan guys? Kung ayaw nyo rin malate sa school, smash the like button and subscribe! Ang objective natin for today is make it to school without getting late. Okay, labas na tayo sa bahay natin at pumasok na tayo sa school. Hala, hindi pa tayo naliligo. Hindi pa tayo kumakain ng breakfast. Bilisan natin maligo. Hala, walang tubig. Di bali na, pasok na tayo sa school. Buti na lang, walking distance lang yung school nating Wayudam Elementary School. Galing sa bahay natin. Wayudam Elementary School. Here I come. Going in. Oh, hello, nerd. Should I talk to the nerd? First of all, why do you have a plush? It makes you look stupid. Second of all, would you like to take my quiz? Why not? Yes. Excellent. What is the name of this experience? Syempre late to school. Who is the smartest person in this experience? You nerd. Looks like you aren't smart enough to pass buku. Come back when you are little. Smarter. You were nuts. Nag-failed. You were not smart enough. Retry. I guess we need to try again. Sabi kanina, wag daw natin dalhin tong plushie sa school. Don't bring the plush to school or magmumukha tayong stupid. Bilisan natin pumasok sa school. 2 minutes na lang magsa-start na yung klase. Wait lang, nauuhaw ako. Ayun, may lemonade. Bili muna tayong lemonade, guys. May I interest you in some totally real lemonade? It's only $25. Please buy it or else I will go bankrupt. Meron ba tayong pera?
No!
You don't have enough cash.
No!
Eh di no. Please, I'm begging you. Eh wala nga akong cash. Anong gagawin ko? Hindi ako makakabili. Fine. You're just too good for my lemonade, ha? Lo, nagsungit na. I'm out. I think I made him mad. Lo, nagalit daw siya sa atin. Nawala. Nawala bigla yung lemonade stand niya. Okay, pasok na tayo sa school. May homeless kid. Lo, kawawa naman yung homeless kid. Hi? What could you possibly want from me? I've lost everyone and everything. Lo, wala na daw siyang family, guys. The one thing I wish for right now is some food. Nangihingi siya ng food sa atin. Please help me. Actually, never mind. Don't help me. Lo, may polar. This person really needs help. Yeah, I see it. Tignan natin kung ano magagawa natin para matulungan siya, guys. New objective. Find some food for the homeless kid. Saan ako makakakita ng food? So ngayon, guys, tutulungan natin tong homeless kid makahanap ng pagkain. Hanap tayo ng pagkain para sa kanya. Meron bang food dito? Wait lang ha. Wait lang, homeless kid. Naghahanap pa ako ng pagkain. Eto dito, merong restaurant. Restaurant ba to? Ayun, may hotdog. May mabibigay na tayo kay homeless kid. Ala, hindi ko alam. Stop right there. You think you can steal on my watch? Hindi ko alam. Sorry. It's time you pay the price. Magkano ba yan? Ala, binaril ba tayo? Lo, ending. Shoplifter. You are a disgrace. Akala ko pwede namang kunin, di ba? Bibigay ko lang naman kay homeless kid eh. Ang pangit ng ending natin, guys. Isa pa. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Ano yun? Bigla-biglang sumasabog. Dwayne Johnson, why you looking at us? Okay guys, let's go to Why You Dumb School. And tingnan pa natin yung ibang mga endings. Ang pangit na mga endings na nangyayari sa atin. Pero bago yan guys, tanggalin nga muna natin tong dinosaur hat natin. Yeah. Alo, ayaw. Ayaw matanggal ng hat natin. Oh well, let's go to school. Hala yung kapatid natin oh, nangyayari dito sa kapatid natin. Kausapin nga natin. Little brother. Oh hi big bro. Did you just wake up? You are probably too busy to play with me right now. So I'll just watch TV. Ganyan ka manood ng TV? Okay. See ya brother. Oh well, see ya little brother. Enjoy watching your TV. Guys, ayun yung lemonade stand. Subukan na natin bumili sa kanya. Sa tingin ko makakabili na tayo sa kanya. Kasya na yung pera natin. Yes, lemonade guy. Hello? Oo, bentahan mo na ako ng lemonade. Alam mo, meron na akong pambili niyan. $25 lang ba? Oo, bibili ako. Ito, kasyang-kasya yung pera ko. Let's buy some lemonade. Happy siya. Pleasure doing business with you, good sir. Ganun lang. Ayun, meron na tayong lemonade. Hindi niya tatanggalin yung lemonade stand niya kasi bumili na tayo. Tayo lang ba hinihintay niya bumili? Ano kaya yun? Oh, a bully. Let's talk to a bully, I guess. Oh, it's you. Wait a second. Is that a plushie in your hand? Wala naman akong plushie. Hello. No, tawang-tawa siya sa plushie natin, guys. Wow, you really are a loser. How about we fix that child brain of yours with this? How about we fix your being a bully? Ending, bullied. Nabullied pa nga. Lesson learned, don't bring your kiddie toys to school. Yung ending natin, nabully pa. Ano ba yan? Sa tingin ko ngayon guys, dapat dumiretso na talaga tayo sa school. Subukan natin dumiretso sa school ngayon guys. Huwag na tayo magpa-disturb kung kani-kanino. Diretso lang, diretso. Babalikan kita homeless kid Ayun na, diretso para hindi na tayo malate. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa school without getting disturbed. Dito ba yung classroom natin? Oy, hindi pa pala tayo pwede makapasok sa klase natin guys. Kaya ngayon, balikan na natin si homeless kid. Kasi hindi pa pala tayo pwedeng pumasok sa klase natin guys. Ngayon ay babalik tayo sa restaurant pero kailangan natin magbayad. Hala, uwian na agad. Hindi man lang ako nakapasok. Check natin yung mga endings na nagawa na natin guys. Bully ending. Shoplifting ending. Merong sleep ending? Ano yun? Merong nerd ending. Kailangan matry natin tong arcade master ending guys. And tsaka yung true ending, meron ding bad ending at good ending. Okay, gawin natin lahat yan guys. Diba kanina nandyan tayo pero kailangan pala natin magbayad dyan. Nakala ko free. Kausapin muna natin yung owner. Busy ako eh. Busy ako dito sa ginagawa ko. Ano may tutulong ko sa'yo? But my name is Brit. I am the founder of this store. Kasama ko yung brother ko, pangalan niya si Brett. Pero kung kailangan mo ng tulong or hindi, just let me know. Alright, where was I? Okay, thank you, store owner. Di na kita guguluhin dyan mag-stock ng mga Black Cola. Are you sure you wanna buy this item? It will cost you $15. Kulang yung pera natin. Let's try to talk with this nerd. Hello, nerd. Would you like to take my quiz? Excellent. What is the name of this experience? Late to school. Who is the smartest person in this experience? You. What is this experience based off? Pahirap ng pahirap ah. Hulaan ko lang guys. Ito ba yun? Wow. You smart. Ala, smart daw tayo. You big brain. Oh yeah. Just to make sure you aren't cheating, I'm gonna look over your test results again. Ayaw mo maniwala, hindi ako nag-cheat. Matalino nga ako. Good ending guys. Pasok naman tayo dito sa Gamer Zone Arcade guys. Ano kayang meron dito? Let's talk to the arcade owner. Hello kid. Welcome to Gamer Zone Arcade. I'm Brad, the owner of this fine arcade. Don't bother me. I'm on break right now. Ayaw magpa-istorbo. Naka-break daw siya ngayon. Okay, unless you have a question. Ang daming games dito, guys. Nakakatuwa naman. Mas masaya kung may kasama. Kaya next time, samahan niyo ako dito, guys. Guys, ito na sa dami-dami nating disturb na nangyayari. Bago makapasok sa school, bigyan muna natin ng food si homeless kid. Sa tingin ko, makakabili na tayo ng food sa kanya. Meron na tayong $30. Bilan na natin siya ng food dun sa store. Hindi na tayo hulihin dito, hindi na tayo magiging shoplifter. Ayan. Bibigyan natin ng hotdog si homeless kids. Pabili, hotdog. Are you sure you wanna buy this? Of course. Yun pala, $15 lang. Bibilin ko yan. Thanks. I guess. Yeah, that's mine. Let's go, guys. May mabibigay na tayong food kay homeless kid. Sa wakas. Homeless kid, ito na yung hotdog mo. Nandyan ka pa ba? Ayun, nandun pa si homeless kid, guys. Bigay na natin sa kanya yung hotdog niya. Ano, meron ka na bang mabibigay na food sa akin? Gutom na ako eh. Oo, meron akong dalang hotdog dito sa'yo. Mabubusog ka na dito. May tinapay pa to. Oh, ito na yung hotdog mo. You're giving me food. No, I don't deserve it. Ayan na nga eh, kunin mo na. You're gonna make me cry now. No one has ever been this nice to me ever since I lost my family. Aww, you are the person that this world needs. From the bottom of my heart, I wanna say thank you. You're welcome. Take this as a token of my appreciation. Ano yun? May good ending siguro tayo. Just being a good person. Like Papyrus once said, everyone can be a good person if they just tried. Yes, agree. Pero kung sa tingin nyo guys, kailangan ko pang mag part 2 dito sa Late to School, comment down below at sa susunod muli, paalam!